Welcome to my channel Rao Car Quest. The icon returns, but is it worth it in 2025? What if we told you the Suzuki Mehran is back, with a twist? The car that ruled the roads for decades is now making noise again in 2025. But can it still keep up in today's tech-driven auto world, or is it just a nostalgic throwback? Let's dive into the design, performance, features, and price of the Suzuki Mehran 2025. Classic roots, slightly modern touch. At first glance, the 2025 Mehran sticks to its old-school design, boxy, compact, and simple. But there are subtle changes, slightly sleeker headlamps, a more defined grille, and minor tweaks to the bumper for a refreshed look. It's clear Suzuki wanted to preserve the identity of the Mehran while giving it just a touch of 2025. Still basic, but slightly better. Don't expect luxury here, this is still a budget car. But the 2025 model finally brings in features like a basic infotainment system, power steering, and front power windows. You'll also find better seat cushioning and a slight improvement in cabin insulation. It's still simple, but livable. Speed, horsepower and engine. Under the hood, Suzuki hasn't taken many risks. It packs a 796 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine pushing out around 39 horsepower. Top speed? Approximately 135 kilometers per hour. It's no rocket, but it's made for city driving, not drag races. What makes it attractive is the fuel efficiency, offering around 20 kilometers per liter under ideal conditions. Price in India, is it worth it? Now the big question, how much? In India, the expected price for the 2025 Suzuki Mehran would be around 3.5 Indian rupees to 4.2 lakhs, depending on the variant. That puts it right in the entry-level market, ideal for first-time buyers or those needing an ultra-budget second car. Closing line, should you buy it? The Suzuki Mehran 2025 isn't trying to be flashy. It's trying to stay true to what made it iconic: simplicity, affordability, and reliability. If you want a no-nonsense car that gets the job done, it might just be the blast from the past you need.